The Prime Minister on Tuesday voted in Gujarat capital Gandhinagar. That's where the BJP President Amit Shah is contesting from. But there, the Prime Minister rode on an open jeep, walked down the road and even gave a short address, which the opposition leaders said was political and therefore violates the Model Code of Conduct. The Election Commission has now sought a report.
First, the blessings of his mother, and then a roadshow. The Prime Minister on his way to cast his vote for friend and BJP President Amit Shah.
वोटर आईडी की ताकत आईईडी से भी अनेक गुना ज्यादा है। हम इस वोटर आईडी कार्ड का महत्व समझे। जैसे कुंभ के मेले में स्नान करके एक पवित्रता का आनंद आता है, वैसा ही लोकतंत्र के इस महापर्व में मतदान करके उस पवित्रता की मैं अनुभूति करता हूं।
Gandhinagar, a legacy seat for the BJP, has been held by veteran L.K. Advani, and this time the party hopes it will send Mr. Shah to the Lok Sabha. But despite the pomp and celebration, Mr. Modi's roadshow during polling has been severely criticized by the opposition, who allege that it's a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Citing this law, Section 126 of the Representation of People's Act, which says, no person shall convene, hold, attend, join or address any public meeting or procession in connection with an election, with a view to attracting the members of the public thereto in any polling area during the period of 48 hours for any election in that polling area.
एंटायर इलेक्शन की जो गाइडलाइंस एंड रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है वो नज़रअंदाज करके वो काम करते हैं।
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री हर चीज को तीसरी या चौथी बार, मैं दोहरा रहा हूं, तीसरी या चौथी बार जानबूझकर आदर्श संहिता का जबरदस्त रूप से, मैं तो कहूंगा बेशर्म रूप से उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं।
The BJP has held the Gandhinagar seat since 1989 and hopes it will get the bulk of the state's 26 seats.
I'm standing outside the polling station where the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, voted. Last time, he won from Vadodara seat with a record margin of 5,70,000 votes. This time, Bharatiya Janata Party wants to repeat that magic in Gandhinagar also, and are using his personal chemistry with the voters to achieve so. In Ahmedabad, this is Neeta Sharma reporting for NDTV.